Out from the shadows, I'm Naked Ninja with another video for you guys today. So this is just a quick video showing you an unboxing of a cheap speaker mount for your Google Home Mini. I found these at Walmart, $5. Go to Amazon, they're usually 10 to 15 bucks. I don't know this brand particularly, but it looks pretty easy. It's a speaker mount for Google Home. I like the way it kind of sits there and looks like it wraps around the cord connection point. And you plug in the USB over there. And that's it. So yeah, speaker mount for Google Home Mini by ONN. You'll find them at your Walmart. So let's open this thing up real quick. Yeah, always need a big knife to get things open there. Cut away, people. Cut away. You don't want to cut yourself now. Come on now. Of course, when you're trying to open it up, it's a pain in the arse. Yeah, just tear this shit up raw. I don't need this crap on here. For $5, I don't even care to return it if it doesn't work. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what we got here. Pool. Set it aside and get two of them because it's so cheap. Here's my Google Home Mini. Let's see what happens here. Alright, let's figure this thing out. Alright. Make it difficult for me to open up. Yeah, I'll just tear it apart. Oh, look out. Whoa, look out. Alright, alright. Interesting. So, I mean, I guess I could read the instructions with it, but why bother, right? That's no fun if you do that. So, looks like, yeah, this connects on here. I'll have to get the cord connector for this, but this plops in here. It doesn't even come with instructions, actually. For $5, you don't get instructions, I guess, people. That's alright, that's cool. No worries. Looks like you're connected here. It's pretty tight. Yeah, there's the button right there, on and off. Makes it easy. Looks pretty good, actually. I mean, it's plastic, and that's all the mounts are. Is just plastic, all of them. It looks like it'll sit about that far off because the outlet's here, so it's going to stick out a little bit, which actually makes it better for your receptacle to plug it in. That way, you have space, like behind here, between when your wall plate's here, to get another plug up in there, so you don't block the whole thing. So that's pretty cool. Let me get my Google Home extend the cord for it and put it on there. Hold on a second. Okay, cool. I got the cord right here. Let's figure this out. Looks like, yeah, I'm gonna pop the cord through there. It looks like. Get the trash out of the way. Set this through here. Oh, my bad. We don't need those little connectors anymore, I don't think. We'll find out. Looks like you're gonna pop this through. Yep, nice. Good, good, good. Sweet. Pop this sucker in there. All right, so I got to figure this out because you want to make it. All right, so let's go. It looks like, so this cord piece will go bottom. So when you set the Google Home Mini in there, you want to have the button up here. So we'll just flip this thing around real quick. Oops, my bad. Make sure that switch is on the. Spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it. To make it, if you look, if you're smart, of course, make sure it's locked. Because there's a little locking thing right here. Right there, as you can see. Like if I unlock it, it won't move. So lock it like that. And you want to have the switch kind of lined up with this so it's straight for you. That way you can access it. Unless you want it on the bottom, of course. But, I'm going to leave it on the top. Actually, you know what? Nah, yeah. Up top is the best way to go, it looks like for me. Cool. And we take this. Just wrap the cord tight like this. Let's get this. I'm doing this quick, but it really doesn't matter, it looks like to me, because I can just, because there's so much space anyway here. So you want to keep it as neat as you want. And then, where's the switch? I should actually get to kind of just move it just a little bit, actually. So you want to be able to access that point. And then just pop that. Oh shoot, it goes through here. My bad, people. I'm sorry, I'm still working with this. I gotta look at the back of this thing. Instrucciones. Yeah. You look right there, it says on the side. Okay, I can work with that, that's cool. It's all good. Just click it over here. Let's see. I'm gonna do it my way. My way will work just fine. We can leave it loose. I don't mind that. Because it doesn't look like there's no other way. I mean, you can do it whatever way you really want to. Let's plug this in. That's not bad. I mean, it's the worst time probably I've ever, be doing this, but man, I'm just messing it all up, people. Sorry. All right, cool. Nice. And it wraps it pretty tight. I mean, I have a terrible wrap right here, but I'll redo that when I put it on there. But yeah, that works out pretty good. Yeah, let me plug it in real quick and see what it does. Plug it in right here and see how well this performs. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Should work. What? And there's plenty of space behind there. So you can totally put a cord back there. Here, I'll put in my can opener. How about that? If I want to get crazy. But, oh yeah, it's close. It's tight, people. It's super tight. Yeah. Oh, you know why? Because I have the cord set a certain way. Boom. Look at that. Yes, our can opener works. That's clean. I'm liking this. For $5, you cannot go wrong. It's trying to load up. It's trying to connect to my Wi-Fi and stuff like that. Cool, people. Right on. Well, I'm Naked Ninja. That is the ONN $5 speaker mount for your Google Home Mini for your receptacle for, like, countertops and stuff like that. Or even if you want to put it low.